closer to you, babe. You pull the cake closer to you.
Slow.
Ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Me.
Happy birthday, dear Lily. Happy birthday to you.
No, Cameron.
Oh,
Cameron! I think we need to light it again.
Silly Lily.
Here, Uncle Mike, you take that.
Alright.
Dude, you ruined the video.
So, Lily, you need to tell us real quick while your dad's relighting the candle. How does it feel to be 9? Just give us like 2 seconds on what's it like to be 9. You don't know?
I thought she had something important when she went like this. Like, I got it.
I thought it was like mission critical. Let's see. We got to relight.
Because my brother already
Blew out the candle.
blew out the candles.
Okay, ready?
He blew out the candles.
Okay,
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you.
Here we go.
Go, hurry.
That's so special. No, not.
The kids
Lily,
keep
bye-bye.
Please.
Bye.